Hi there, welcome to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. It's time to learn how to play Fooba Wooba. But before we do, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can stay up to date with any videos that I upload in the future. This is a pretty simple game. It just requires your students to be able to pair rhyming words together. So in the recording you might have heard, saw a crow flying low, Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba. Saw a crow flying low, Fooba Wooba John. So then you have to just talk to your students, okay? Figure out how that poem is structured. So they'll see that it's saw a something, and then there's an action word or a verb, and then the rhyming word that rhymes with the thing they saw. So saw a crow, and then the action is flying, and then the rhyming word is low. So if you can work through that with your class as a whole group before they break off into partners, it's a lot easier. Once your students are partnered off, then I just typically have them take a piece of paper or a dry erase board, and they come up with their own format. Some kids might come up with 3 or 4 or 5 iterations of the song. Some kids, it might take them a little while and they might come up with one. That's great. At the end of the whole process, it offers a great opportunity for your students to have either solo singing opportunities or duets or trios, depending on how they created their song. So I have my students come up to the front and they have their board with them, and then they sing their verse of Fooba Wooba. This typically creates a lot of good chuckles because your students are bound to come up with something really hilarious that rhymes with something else. So that just about does it for the game Fooba Wooba. It's really, really simple. It's a great song for teaching Ray. Do, do, mi, so. Mi, do, re, do, mi, do, re, do. So I typically do this song with 2nd grade. If this video was helpful for you, please click on the like button, and that'll be helpful for me. Also, please share, and thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.
Softly kick a tree, Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba. Softly kick a tree, Fooba Wooba John.